In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage products in your online store. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your current offerings, this guide will provide you with all the insights you need to smoothly set up your shop. First, let's navigate to the home menu. Here, you'll want to click on Commerce. This is the central hub for managing all aspects of your store. Once you're in the Commerce section, look for the Products option. If your store isn't set up yet, don't worry. You might have to create a store page first. To do this, go to the Main Pages menu, where you can easily set up your shop space to showcase your amazing products. Now, let's add your first product. Look for the Add Product button or a plus sign in the top left corner of your screen. This is where the excitement begins as you select the type of product you're going to offer. Your options range from physical products and digital products to services, and even gift cards. Choose the one that best fits what you're selling. Once you've chosen the product type, it's time to give your product a name. The product name is your chance to attract customers, so make it catchy and descriptive. Next, move on to the description. Here's where you creatively explain what makes your product unique. Don't skimp on details. You can further enhance your description using the Additional Information section, where you can include images, text blocks, or even call-to-action buttons. A picture speaks 1,000 words, so let's add an image for your product. Upload one that really represents what you're selling. A good image can make a big difference in grabbing attention. Then, set the price for your product. And if you're feeling generous, you can also add a sale price to entice buyers looking for a great deal. If you have limited stock, enter the quantity available. Alternatively, if you're selling something that isn't limited by inventory, like a service, select the Unlimited option. For products that come in different styles, sizes, colors, or materials, you can add variations. Customize the specific details, like price and stock, per variation, giving your customers options to choose from. For those of you adding physical products, don't forget to configure shipping options and costs. This step is crucial to ensure a smooth delivery process. Organizing your products with categories and tags is another efficient way to help your customers find what they're looking for quickly. Now, let's talk a bit about SEO. Customize the SEO title and description for your product to increase its visibility in search engines. A well-optimized product page is more likely to attract clicks. Finally, after diligently setting everything up, you'll want to click Save to secure your changes. Once you're satisfied with everything, go ahead and hit Publish to share your product with the world. Congratulations! You're now ready to welcome customers and make sales on your online store.